Okay, I'm going to cut the first one. We're either going to be a hero or zero here. See how she looks. Alright, we got the first three out. So what we're doing is we're welding around the seat with our little BuzzBox miller. Okay, because I am not a welder. I suck, as you can see. But the idea is we're going to put a nice bead of weld around here and let it cool for a second, and it's going to shrink that seat. And we should be able to pull it out with our little unit here. Or we can use a pair of internal snap ring pliers and see if we can't grab it. Like that. We got a few more to go on this Hercules 478, Hercules White 478 diesel out of a 1968 Oliver 2150 tractor. And only 478 Hercules head. Our head's done for our 478 Hercules. The valve recession is 19 to 31 thousandths according to my book. So we'll test our gauge. We're at 0. So it's what, 21, 20, 22, 19, 20, 20, 23, 26, 24, 3, 21, 22. All right, we're good to go, baby.